Hi, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have my friend and neighbor, Mia, in the kitchen with me. Welcome to the kitchen.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Are you feeling confident? Because today,
No, I'm not.
I am challenging you to make eggnog. Have you ever had eggnog before?
No, but it sounds perfect for a Jew to make.
Yes.
So I'm
Eggnog's
excited.
a classic Christmas drink. I always say I'm a Jew who loves Christmas food. And eggnog is one of those. So you have everything you need in front of you. These are all the right amounts of ingredients, except the spices. You can choose how much you want to spice your eggnog. You have all the equipment you need, and you're gonna make me your eggnog, and then I'm gonna make you my eggnog. So I figured we could start. Show off your culinary expertise. Why not?
Okay. I'm gonna start by pouring this in, I think. That just seems...
Yes. Oh, let me melt. Okay, this is heavy cream, and that's whole milk.
Right.
These are eggs.
That means
this is sugar.
a lot to me.
Yes, this is vanilla
No
extract.
idea what that means. I'm still gonna pour this directly into the bowl.
Yes.
I'm gonna crack all these eggs in. Oh, hopefully we don't get too many shells in there.
Right in there. I think you're supposed to use just maybe. Do you have to separate an egg white and egg yolk?
Do I know how? Yes.
Sorry. To clarify, you only need the egg yolk, so you crack the whites in. But it was good. It's not going to ruin the whole thing.
I've never heard of just the yolk, actually.
Yeah, well, be careful.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Okay. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh. So do I need to keep doing this, or does that look good?
You're the chef here. I'm just here to help.
Okay. What if it's when it's on the stove, it like...
Explodes?
No, it loses its flavor.
Yeah. Yeah. I've never heard of that happening, but it could.
Right.
Possibilities are
Honestly,
endless. It's honestly going better than I thought. I'm not gonna lie. Add the sugar right in there.
Are you lying, though?
I'm proud. No, I am proud. This is going better than expected.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I don't really know what the point of the stove is, honestly. I'm not sure what the consistency is supposed to be.
Oh, okay, right into the water. Got it.
That looks horrible.
Yeah.
Actually, it kind of looks like Cinnamon Toast Crunch milk.
It does.
Yeah, like the bowl of the cereal.
Yeah, if there was eggs in it.
I think it looks fine. It kind of, it just looks like milk, honestly.
Reminds me of the holidays.
I think it's ready. Actually, no, it's not ready. I want to pour these ingredients in again and stir them in.
Okay, then it'll probably be ready.
Yeah. This won't cause like an explosion, will it?
No, not explosion. Food poisoning, potentially. Explosion,
Potentially.
no.
So now we have this. This kind of looks like brownie batter. Can you help me mix this in?
Sure,
nicely?
I got it. Okay, we'll just fold in our spices. Is it ready to try?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Yeah.
The food safety coordinator on set has asked us to check the temperature of this. So, this is not safe to drink. All right, we have to heat this to 180. Typically, I try not to intervene, but I don't want us to get salmonella. Wow.
Okay.
Look at us.
I don't think it's gonna taste so good, but it doesn't look horrible.
I mean,
Do you have whipped cream?
We do have whipped cream. Do you want whipped cream? All right, let's grab some whipped cream.
Do you have chocolate syrup?
Yeah. I don't know if it's classic, but sure.
Who cares about classic? This is my first eggnog.
There you go. Whoa!
It actually doesn't look bad at all.
Yeah.
It looks like Hershey's, the Hershey's cookies and cream bars just melted up in a cup.
Whoa!
Oh yeah.
Wow! We are not kidding around with our whipped cream.
Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas to everyone!
And now for the swirl.
Wow.
This might be messy because I'm gonna try and make it look artsy.
There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers to eggnog that might be cooked.
I actually think it's really good.
I'm not gonna lie.
I actually think that's pretty good.
It's highly diluted, but it has flavor.
It has a lot of flavor.
Rachel, Olivia, do you want to give this a try?
Please come try this.
Wow.
Well, you're more than welcome to take from here if you don't mind
This might
using
be
this
one of the
straw.
most successful attempts.
Just for you. Yes, I must say, as Eitan said, the whipped cream to eggnog ratio
It's incredible.
It's 1 to 1.
Wow.
Yes.
It's a little eggnog soupy, but I love.
It's like hot cereal milk.
But it
She
tastes
said it was
good
like
though,
cereal
right?
milk.
Like it might not be like an eggnog, but it's pretty good.
It's eggnog adjacent.
It is
yeah.
Eggnog, that's what I was gonna say.
I'll take it. Really, I'll take
Honestly,
it.
I'll finish this. I'm not mad. Come on.
Oh. Sophia, incredible job with your
Thank
eggnog.
you.
Good job,
Thank you.
Very successful. Cheers. We're gonna go reset the kitchen, and now I'm gonna show you how I make eggnog.
Okay, I'm excited.
Honestly, very similar to what you do without the wrong steps. Oh. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to make my eggnog. I'm making gingerbread eggnog, okay? It's honestly very similar to what you made. I'm just adding a few little extra ingredients into there. Now, you were actually pretty correct for a lot of your methods. So I'm gonna start by adding in my whole milk and my heavy cream into my pot.
Perfect.
Now, we're also gonna go in with our spices. So I'm gonna add a little bit of our cloves. Now I'm gonna add in some nutmeg, followed by some cinnamon. Nope, this is nutmeg.
Hazelnut. Oh.
Nope, not a hazelnut. We were both wrong in this situation. I didn't add nutmeg yet. Grate in your nutmeg. A little bit, just like that. Now, do you know what these are?
No. What is that?
Vanilla. And then like you just scrape it out, and on the inside, you will
Ooh.
find, check that out. So now we're gonna take those. We're going to very carefully add it right into this. Will just add lots and lots of great flavor. Here, do you want to try to scrape this one out?
Yeah.
Right into there, and we're just going to add this also in there for now to get even more
Wait,
flavor.
it's so sticky.
Oh, there you go. Oh, almost.
Oh, wait.
Not quite. There you go.
Wow.
Look at you.
Okay.
And then just here, then we'll very carefully just scrape that right in
Perfect.
there. We actually are only going to use egg yolks.
Okay.
We do not need any egg whites, just egg yolk. Do you want to start helping me with this?
Yes.
Right here, you can
Want
do it on
all
that
of
side. Yeah. So we're going to do all these, the whites in here and then the yolks right in there.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, cracking egg yolks like this is a really inefficient method.
There has to be. Oh.
I'm gonna get my own bowl for here. Plop. Amazing. So I'm doing a little bit of a different method than I had set up for you. I actually set up for the most classic method.
Okay.
So you had what's called a double boiler. So you had a pot of water, and then what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to whisk it in a bowl, put it on top of the water, and whisk it so that it cooks the eggs like that.
Okay.
You chose the artistic direction of just putting it straight into the water, which is why it did result in a pretty thin consistency. But
Makes sense.
I am for myself doing a less traditional method. So we're gonna add all our sugar, and then now I'm gonna also add in some molasses. This is a thick, sweet paste that's gonna add lots of great flavor. Do you wanna whisk it up?
Yes.
Until fully combined. Let's check on our milk. Looking good. Wow, eggnog's so
Oh, it
easy.
smells so good.
Right?
Yeah.
Smells like molasses cookies. Wow.
How's that look? That looks.
That looks good. Keep going. I would say keep going. Let's
This
see how
looks
our
like
milk's doing.
how you make candy,
Caramel?
like a hard candy that you put in the fridge, like a second candy
Oh,
that you make from scratch. I'm saying it just looks like the base of it.
got it. Noted.
Okay.
All right, so we're now going to do what's called tempering our eggs. So can you keep on whisking this? And I'm going to slowly add this in. So what it's going to do, it's going to slowly bring this up to temperature, because you know, like if you cook eggs, it will scramble.
Yes.
So if you add, like if you were just to pour this all in here, the heat of this would literally scramble this. And I don't know about you, but I don't like scrambled eggs in drinks.
I also probably don't think I
Yeah.
would. This looks like a huge bowl of chocolate milk.
It's like tan. Maybe white chocolate milk? Caramelized chocolate milk?
Maybe it just looks like coffee.
Sorry, I don't want to spill. There you go. Thank you for your whisking.
Of course.
We are now going to take this and we're going to pour it now back into our pot, because we have now tempered our eggs. There we go. Only a little bit of scrambled eggs on the sides. We're not going to tell anyone.
Yes.
Hanukkah, Hanukkah. You know, I feel like sometimes when I'm around non-Jewish people, I say Hanukkah.
I
even though know
also
it's
do
Hanukkah.
because a lot of people then say, how do you what do you say with the
Yeah, and then you have to teach them how to.
yeah. You can't really. Can you teach people how to? Can you guys go?
Hanukkah.
Hanukkah.
Shall we indulge?
Indulge.
Shall we indulge in eggnog?
Yes.
Amazing.
We should.
Ready? All right, now we have more whipped cream application. Let's see how tall you can make this one.
No.
Cheers
We might need
to
a
a
straw,
Merry
though.
Hanukkah
I don't think we're gonna get to the drink.
and a Christmas Sameach.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's so much better than
Isn't it
mine.
good?
That is so
Wow.
much better than mine.
Now, what's really good about eggnog is actually if you can obviously drink it hot, but also if you put it in the fridge, it gets thicker, and then you can drink it cold.
Oh, really?
Good, yeah. That's also a really great way to drink it, but I'm impatient, so we're drinking it hot. I got too excited.
At least it tastes good.
It tastes good hot. Well, Merry Christmas,
It's the way of
everyone.
us celebrating Christmas without celebrating
Yes.
Christmas.
10 out of 10.
For sure.
You should refrigerate this. Us two Jews don't know what we're doing, but we're enjoying it. We're having fun.
Ladle, ladle,
Ladle, I made it out of eggnog. Oh,
That's all I'm ready to good I will play.
oh ladle, ladle, ladle.
I'll get it out of play.
And when it's dry and ready, I'll get some eggnog out of the pot.
Hey! Happy holidays, everyone! Happy holidays! Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to let us know by hitting the like button. Comment down below what is your favorite type of holiday food. We'd love to know. If you want this recipe, which does say to fridge it, we're not going to do that. You can find it at eatharmonat.com. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed watching. Hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And if you haven't already, be sure to go text someone that you love. Let them know you can make them warm eggnog, even though you're not supposed to. And we're just gonna keep drinking our warm eggnog. I'm sorry to say, but eggnog's also good warm.
It is so good warm.
It's good warm. Wow.
I don't even want to know what it's like cold.
It's also really good cold, but you know. Wow.